channel. If you're new here, I'm Derick. I'm a front-end engineer based here in Los Angeles, and today I'm continuing my series called Method Mondays, where I go over every single array method there is in JavaScript. And next up on our list for today is SPLICE. So let's just hop right into our editor and get right into it. Okay, SPLICE. So the SPLICE method changes the contents of an array by moving, replacing, or adding elements in place. It does directly modify the original array, so yes, it does mutate it. For reference, here is the syntax. We have a start index, the delete count, and then optional items that you want to add into it. And lastly, it just returns an array of the removed elements. So speaking of, for our first example, let's just remove elements from an array. Let's say we have const colors here. It's just an array of strings of colors. We'll create const removed, and we're going to assign that to colors and then hit colors with our splice method. And we'll pass in 1 for our start index and then 2 for our delete count. Now this should just remove blue and green. So let's actually see what we get. We'll just log this to the console. Pass in colors, and as you can see, we're left with just red and yellow. So yes, it did remove just blue and green. So our start index and our delete count, our start index was 1, that index of blue, so that's index 1, and the delete count was 2, and that is those 2 options there. So of course we're just left with red and yellow. So pretty straightforward. Okay, next, let's insert elements into an array. Let's say we have const fruits here, apple, banana. Let's take fruits, hit it with our splice method. We'll have a start index of 1, a delete count of 0, because we're not going to delete anything. We're just inserting items. And then let's insert a new one. We'll just call it orange. And let's actually see if this worked. Pass in fruits, and nice, our array has 3 strings in it now, so we've actually got apple, orange, and banana. And orange was added after apple because of that start index. We wanted to start at an index of 1. And you guys know we're in a programming language. Programming languages start at indexes of 0. So index 1 is actually our second spot in the array. So that's inserting elements into an array. And for our last example, let's replace elements in an array. Let's say we have const scores, which is just an array of scores, an array of numbers. We'll take scores, hit it with our splice method. We'll do a start index of 1, a delete count of 1, and then we're gonna take advantage of these optional items here that you can tack on to the end, and we're gonna replace a score with 25. So let's see what this gives us. We'll just log this to the console, pass in scores, and yes, this replaces 20 with 25. So our start index was 1, that's gonna be this guy. We're removing it because we just wanna remove 1 item, and then we're adding, these are optional of course, and we're adding in that 25. So instead of 10, 20, 30, we're gonna get 10, 25, then 30. So that's replacing elements in an array, pretty straightforward. And that's about it for Splice. Super simple, super easy. Definitely like this video if you found this helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.